Hi guys, in this video I'm going to do a quick review on the Xvim HD Video Surveillance Kit. So this is a 720, it comes with 720p cameras. It is an 8-channel kit. So inside are two boxes. One is right here. This contains the DVR to go with the mouse and the power supply. And then over here is the cameras together with all the related cables. So this is nice that it comes with one power supply and then an adapter that switches it 1 to 4. So, and then extension cables right here to plug it in. So that makes it easy to power them and not have to run a ton of cables. Well, take a bunch of power supplies, etc. So also, in addition, here is the user guide. And this comes with, obviously, clear English pictures with clear English instructions with clear pictures showing the app and the setup on the screen to show you how it works. So I'm going to plug it in so you can see how it works. So over here you can see I set up one camera just so you can see how it works. So here's the DVR. It comes pre-installed with 1 terabyte hard drive. Here are the 8 separate ports for the camera. This is a video feed. And then over here is the mouse. It's got a second plug for a second port for other things. It's got a HDMI out, VGA out, and a cable for connecting your Ethernet. And it's also got audio in and out option if you need that. So you got to plug in all 3 cables. This is the DVR, this is the cameras, and then the third one is for my monitor I just set up. So we're gonna show that in a second. And then over here is the camera. So you see the lights around the edge. These are for LEDs for night vision. And then here's a cap that you can move back and forth depending on how you're setting up to prevent sun from hitting it directly. Over here you can see it's got 3 screw holes and it comes with all the mounting hardware to mount this. And then over here is the power and the video feed cable. The thing I like about this type of setup is that you get a clear solid connection as opposed to when you use a wireless connection. This is always working good. So let me move in a little so we could see how clear this video is. Actually, let me double click it so we can see it big since we only have one setup. Okay, so here it is. Let me turn it upside up so you can see how it's a very super clear picture during the day. I'm gonna move it around, show my face. You know, it is a really clear picture. Now I'm gonna go put it outside where it's dark so we can see how night vision looks. Move around a little too much. Oops. Sorry, I just unplugged that. Let's try that again. Okay, here it is. So you can see how the night vision looks. Obviously, it's not as clear as when you have lights, but still could get a pretty clear shot if there's a person walking at night. Should get a nice black and white video of how they look. So that's how it's done. Really easy to set up. Let me put the camera back down so you can see. So it's really easy to set up the system. As you can see, once it's all done, you just plug all 4 cameras in. Then you could connect whatever other cameras you need, and you could download the app, the XVR Pro app, for iPhone or Android, and that'll let you view it on your phone. It works standalone without internet. If you need it, you could just plug it in to the system, and you could have it without internet. It'll just record locally to the hard drive, but if you want to be able to view it remotely, you need the internet connection. Well, thanks for watching my review on the Xvim Video HD Surveillance Kit. There's an 8-channel kit, so you can add additional 4 cameras if you want. but it comes with 4 to start you out. Thanks for watching my review, and have an awesome day.